Hello my friends, it's Nina and welcome to my new room. Yes, my room looks very different. Yes, I know. Over the last few days, I have changed my room. I finally decided to rip the band-aid. Is that the saying? I decided to rip the band-aid and change literally everything. I'm actually going to sit down for this. Also, yes, I know I haven't changed the battery of my smoke detector. We're going to ignore that. But anyway, a few videos ago, I did a room makeover. I added a few things, took out a few things, but my room was not complete. I feel like back in that video, my room was about 40% done. After that video, I just thought there were a few more things I could do with my room before I do a full official room tour. And basically all the red furniture that used to be in my room is still here, but it is now covered with white contact paper. This was one of the biggest projects I've done. Well, not really, but it just took a lot of energy. It took much longer than I thought to cover everything in white contact paper. I thought it was going to take one night. I may have underestimated the power of contact paper. It took 2 days to do. My thighs are still hurting, but everything is done. I am now going to show you my official finished room. But I decided that my room was just a little bit outdated. It needed to kind of adapt to my current color palette, which is much softer. When I was younger, I was really into bold primary colors, I would say. I really liked reds, yellows, blues, really strong colors. It's pretty noticeable in my older videos, but lately I've been going for more of a soft, cool palette. As you can see, I have a lot of pinks, blues, purples, lots of neutral tones. So I have changed everything. I am so happy. It still feels very much like me, but sometimes change is good. That's all. I am now going to show you my completed room. Let's get started. I will also go more into depth about certain products and interesting things, favorites of mine, things like that. Okay, I'm excited. I hope you're excited too. So here is my room. Oh, it's blurry. I will first give you a nice 360 of my room. Everything kind of goes together. But anyway, I'm going to go into sections. This is my first section, I guess. I have my sunglasses here, as you can see. I just nicely display them right here. I have a little, I got this as a gift. This is a little artwork of a BTS member, Taeyong or a V. I also have some colorful paper flowers from high school. I never got rid of them. I just thought they were a nice colorful addition to my room. And then this is a paper mache bottle that I made in high school as well in an art class. I have a lamp here. And then I just have a couple purses here. These are my everyday purses that I hang on a command hook. I have all of my BTS albums here. I have some merch. I have my little light stick here. I have this little, what's this called? A little standee. Also, this is kind of precious, but I did keep the little wristbands from my concerts. This is actually from KCON. I have the little wristband. And then I also have the wristbands from, this is the Speak Yourself final concert. So I have them here. I also have my RJ headband. It's a little dusty, so I'm not gonna wear it. But basically, I just store all of my items here. On top of my shelf, I have my painting. I made this around 2014, 2015. I think it was 2015. Maybe it was 2016. But it's just a painting of clouds using purples, blues, whites, a little bit of yellow. I have a few fake plants here. I have a real plant here. This plant doesn't require that much sunlight, and because my room faces the east, I don't get sunlight all day. I do get sunlight, but it's not the best, most direct sunlight. So plants like these can survive in my room, but my other plant, Junie is a pothos plant, and that requires a good amount of indirect sunlight. Junie is thriving. He's good, but he's just not here. I moved Junie to a different window and he's been growing so well. I just need to repot him soon because he's growing so much. He needs a bigger pot, but he's well. I have some bottles with fake flowers, and actually inside the bottle, I did add an LED light. It's these little fairy lights. I have my little Polaroid camera just displayed right here. I have 2 more paintings of mine displayed here, but you can't really see it because of this VT BTS lotion box. This was a gift from VT Cosmetics. I just display it here. Then I have this mason jar full of fairy lights again. These are fake flowers. I can only manage fake flowers here. Then I'll just turn it off. This is actually a lid of a box, but I used it as a tray. I have my GoPro cameras here, some extra batteries just for easy access. I have my perfume. It is a Marc Jacobs Daisy perfume, my favorite scent. This is a candle with a rose scent. And then I have this little stone. It's got a turtle on it. It's so cute. And I just love how this looks. Also, another thing I wanted to mention about this shelf, I did plug these LED lights all across my shelf, and I did this so I can have extra light in my room but also display everything inside, because I did kind of neatly display everything. All of these fairy lights that I've used are battery powered, so it's not using actual energy from the house. And here it is. It's just a subtle yet very pretty little detail. This looks much prettier at night, but I love the colors of the lights. But these just help to illuminate every single box and it provides more light to my room. Here are all of my sunglasses. Most of these glasses are from Gentle Monster or Yes Style. Fun fact, yes, I did get these specific pairs because BTS wore them. These are from Jennie's collection of Blackpink, and then these are from Yes Style. Moving on, here are my color coordinated books. Most of these books are old, but I do have them displayed. And then there are just more books in the back that kind of didn't make the cut. And then I just have my camera batteries here. Here are some K-pop albums I have. I have some light sticks. This is 80's light stick, 17's light stick, 80's albums, 17, Twice, Blackpink, TXT. I do have some vinyl records. I currently have Fine Line by Harry Styles, Sweetener, and Dangerous Woman from Ariana Grande. I do have a vinyl record player that I will get to later, but this is my music section over here. I am hoping to collect more stuff, so I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with the space. Moving on, here is my makeup, and oh, I forgot that BTS standee is there. Hello there, that's cute. So this is just extra makeup storage. I have these boxes here. I store my makeup palettes here, and then I store some blushes here. Got more blushes. I have a compact. This tiny little drawer just holds old items, jewelry, things like that. I have some eyeliners, pencils, lip glosses, lip products all here. And then this is basically my everyday makeup. This is just extra storage. This is actually, it just moves around. I just kind of slid it back there. It fits perfectly. Here I have some hair bands. They sit perfectly right on top. These are my makeup brushes, my everyday makeup, my eczema cream. As you can see, my eczema is in the process of healing, but sometimes my body gets itchy and that's okay. Basically, this is also just extra storage. I have more products here, just plenty of space. I have my face masks here, scrunchies, lotions, my hair clips, everything. So pretty! But that is basically my entrance. I also do have a robe, a bathrobe, a towel. I love the colors as well, the pink and the yellow. They are hung up with a command hook as well. I forgot to mention that I have these slogans from concerts that I've been to. These are from BTS and 17 concerts. And then here is a big mirror. I still have yet to clean it. There are still some stains from the store that I haven't cleaned up. And you can see the price tag glue still stuck there, but I'll clean it one day. This is definitely a bigger mirror than my last one. It also has a white frame to match my furniture. And here I am. Ouch. If I'm trying out outfits, here's a mirror. I don't have to go around my bookshelf like I used to. Just definitely a better choice. And then on the floor, I have this little ottoman. Sometimes I sit on it to do my makeup. And then next to that, I do have a bigger ottoman. This holds random items in there that I can't really get to, but it's literally just stuff that I never really touch, so it's all in here. I have my ukulele here. Her name is Agnes. I was almost named Agnes. I do play it from time to time, not really, but one day. I think it's also a great way to kind of hide my wires. You can't see any wires, right? But there's a lot of wires back there actually. All back there. These are the wires of my turntable and my speakers, but you can't really see them. And then I have this little nightlight projector. This is a little Galaxy projector that I bought. This is actually powered by a power bank or a portable charger, which I think is nice and convenient. But I did also make a sort of night mode for my room, and so I like to have my Galaxy projector on display sometimes, just nice and magical. This is my camera battery charger, and actually I don't really need it right now, so I'm just going to put it here, and that's that. I think I'm going to go into this section now. So here I basically have my jewelry and accessories, as you can see with the hats and the jewelry here, and then I have my little audio system, and then I just have more paintings and things on display. This is a little jewelry organizer that I hung up with a little push pin. It's silver, it's got a bird on it, it has these little Sanrio magnets. Boop. I actually got this a very long time ago. I think this was from Claire's. I still kept it because it is useful. It has basically all of my jewelry, my earrings, my necklaces all displayed. It may look a little messy, but I do have a system that only makes sense to me, but I do find everything here. I have my little Koya plush keychain, and then I also do have Cookie. And then here to go along with that silver, I have this random tray thing. But basically I have these little plates. I got these plates from Daiso, and they carry some jewelry. These are just some bracelets. I have a little pin. I've got some watches here, and then another plate. It's a pretty little plate, and then I have all my rings here. I also have my little Berkeley pin. This is from UC Berkeley. I got this when I graduated. And then I have another plate. This has some earrings. Then I have some more earrings and necklaces here, and that's my accessories. And then here is my audio system. This is my lovely turntable. This is the Audio-Technica AT-LP60X. And then basically you just open it up like this, and then you play your vinyl. And then of course I did have to buy separate speakers. This doesn't come with a speaker, so you have to buy them for yourself. These were just the top reviewed ones. These are Edifier. I'll have everything linked down below, but I love this. And I will play it for you right now. So I'm just going to plug my turntable and my speakers. BRB. Making sure that everything is on. Green light. Which side is this? It's side 3. What's side 3? Side 3 we've got, it's upside down. Every time, breathe in, no tears left to cry. I actually do really love side 4, so I'm going to play side 4. Gonna flip it. Be very gentle with these. Side 4, then we'll play it. So because I do have to film the rest of my room tour, we're not going to listen to the full song, but I did want to show you how to play a smaller vinyl. This is a 12-inch, but I do have a 7-inch vinyl. I have Dynamite by BTS in vinyl. It is much smaller. It's a 7-inch. We carefully place it. I'll actually bring you closer for this. Basically, we're going to open it up. Since this is a 7-inch, we're going to change it. And then here is the speed button, but if we don't press this, I'll show you what happens. You might already know what happens, but I just thought this was interesting the first time I tried it. Here we go, 7-inch. Be prepared. Oh dear. That's what happens. Get up in the morning, come in, let's rock and roll. I love it. Just love it. And then I also added some colorful fairy lights to the back of this area for some extra lights. I stuffed the extra lights into this little bottle and topped it with a fake flower just because I didn't know what else to do with it. I think it's a cute touch, and I love how this looks at night as well. So that is what I have on this dresser, and actually I do have to show you what I did for the last 2 days. I put white contact paper on my red dressers. It has this little wood detail, so it looks natural. I'm really happy with how it turned out, but it did take a very long time, but it was all worth it. I had my red furniture for a very long time, so it was about time that I made the change. Next, here is my wall with some of my paintings. This is actually not mine. This is a piece from one of my art classes in high school. This was a piece from a student in the 80s, but they just didn't want it. And so my art teacher just collected a bunch of work over the years. And at the end of the year, she was cleaning out her classroom and she just gave away a bunch of artwork. I took this one. It's so cute. I love the brown color. It kind of goes with some elements in my room. It goes with my shirt. So this paper actually used to be blue, but because of the sun, it kind of got bleached. As you can see on this side, it's blue. On this side, it's this beige color. I drew these little plant shadows, plant silhouettes. Silhouettes, that's the word. So I have that, and then I have my sky paintings. You might recognize these from past videos of mine. And that is basically this section. Next, we are moving on to my desk, and yes, the red desk is gone. So here is my chair. This is the same chair that I had before, but I put this little robe right on top. It's this nice purple color. This is my hoodie. It's my merch. This is my oh no, oh yes merch. But this is my Koya little robe. I just love the purple color, so I decided to just keep it there. Next to my desk, I have this little 3-tier cart. It's this gray green color. It's from IKEA. I just kind of dumped everything here, but it's still very useful. And then here is my desk. I make a lot of study videos and bullet journal videos, and basically you always get to see my red desk, so it's going to be kind of weird not having it anymore. I really do feel more awake though. Oh my gosh, I have boba tea. Hold on. Oh my goodness, I forgot I have tea. I also do have a coaster. Protect your desk. Here I have a little storage basket. It's just nice to have storage baskets. I also love the little pop of color. Here I have another painting of mine and a wall of just random prints, stickers, memories, quotes, got some pictures and Polaroids. Again, all these things that I hung up on my wall just bring my eyes up and make more use of the space in my room. So I just have my laptop here, my iPad Pro. It comes with a little pencil. I have my AirPods. And then here is my bullet journal from my friend Amanda. I just have this little alarm clock. It's 4:30, it's getting late. This actually plays music, and I have Map of the Soul 7 by BTS playing. Here is my painting up close. It's just a nice way to kind of hide my LED light. There's the wire, but you can't see it now. Then I have some washi tapes that kind of go with my room as well. They're also from Amanda. These are my blue light blocking glasses that I wear if I'm working and wearing contact lenses at the same time. Then I just have all my markers, pencils, pens here. This is actually a Lemona tin, just an old tin that I decided to reuse. I just thought it was cute. It's got Yoongi on it. It's got a stapler, just all the necessities. Here is a little basket organizer that I got from IKEA as well. This basically at the moment just carries random items. It's mostly used for my electronics. I've got my hard drive for my videos. I've got a little card reader for my videos as well. I've got my passport. I didn't have a different place for it, so I just kind of keep it here for now. I'll figure that out. A little glasses cleaner. I think it's important, especially with my glasses here. I have some cookies here. They're pumpkin spice flavored, kind of getting in that fall mood. This is pepper spray. This actually should go in my purse, but I kind of left it here. And then I've got my bullet journal here. This is just extra space for basically this. If I don't need this, I just like to tuck it away. I can also put my iPad there, but you get the point. And then here are more boxes. I just love the natural earthy color. They store a lot of stuff. I've got a candle here that I never light, but it smells good. And that is it for this section. In my room makeover video, I did put up LED lights on my windows, and I will show you what it looks like. Here's my remote. So it does look better at night, but here are my LED lights. I just put them around my window. But I thought that the LED lights were necessary for my room because before I didn't have a lot of light in my room. I literally only had 2 lamps, and so it was kind of hard to film at night. I've had these LED lights for a couple weeks now, and I still haven't encountered any spider problems, so we're okay. I really just love playing with the colors and listening to music, kind of chilling out, making a comfortable vibe before I go to sleep, and then I will turn them off. And then I do have them on this window as well. And here is my bed. But basically, this is my bed. I spend a lot of my life here, probably about a third to maybe half of my life here. I like to kind of chill out sometimes right here. I have a TV facing this way, so it's kind of like a couch. And of course, more fairy lights. That was my bed, and now here is basically the final section. That is just my little laundry basket. It fits perfectly right next to my dresser and my nightstand. And then this nightstand is from IKEA. I just recently made it in my room makeover. I recently got myself a salt lamp. It comes with a switch, and you can adjust the light. So here it is. Then I have these vases from IKEA as well. I have a nice green color, a pink color. I still need to figure out what to do with this. I got this as part of a PR box. I kind of just put it here for now, but doesn't really fit. I do hope to maybe hold some plants here. I think that'd be cute. It's a cute addition of clean air here. These are just fake flowers that I have, an old lemonade bottle. I've got a book here that I'm reading, another LED remote because I do have 2 LED lights. Got my Nintendo Switch here. I love the yellow. And then I have this little box lid that I kind of used as a catch-all tray. It's got a cute little hair clip. I've got some scrunchies. I also have some hair ties here. There they are. Got a compact mirror, some hand lotion, and lip balm. Just all the necessities right next to me. And then under I have an old bullet journal that I kind of use as a sketchbook. I like to have it right here. I actually used to have a pen here, but I'll put a pen here. I need a pen. We got a pen. Here it is. All the necessities. It's just so cute and small. And then next to my nightstand, I have my TV here. You can see my reflection. This is not a smart TV, so I do have to use an HDMI cord to connect my laptop to my screen. But basically, I can just watch anything from my laptop onto here. This is basically how I watch Run BTS and YouTube and pretty much everything on here. I do get messages about how I watch all those things on my TV, but that's basically it. Nothing special but an HDMI cord. But that is basically it for my room.
Before I end the video, I will show you my room in the early morning, which is basically my day mode. I love waking up early just when the sun is up. I also forgot to mention that I have this little crystal by my window that reflects little rainbow spots onto my walls, which makes me very happy. It's just little details like this that I love. And then here is my room, but night mode. I've already shown bits of my room at night, but again, I did want my room to have different moods throughout the day, and now I just feel like I can be productive and awake at night as well instead of working in darkness like I used to. I'm just happy with it all. Yay!
But that is basically everything for my room. Obviously, it is still a work in progress, but this is what I have come up with so far. It's definitely been a bit of a journey getting here, but I am so excited to film in here. I am very happy with how my room turned out. It definitely went through a lot of changes, but I feel like my room reflects me much more. It definitely fits my current color palette slash aesthetic a little bit more. Definitely as time goes, I'm probably going to add more stuff, but for now, I am pleased. I hope you enjoyed this room tour. I tried to go into depth with pretty much everything in my room. If you found anything interesting, hopefully it'll be in the description. But that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see your lovely face next time. Goodbye, my friends.